In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to make your board bigger on chess.com so you can see your pieces more clearly and focus on your strategy without straining your eyes. Whether you are playing on a large monitor or a small laptop screen, adjusting the board size manually is a game changer for better visibility during intense matches. This method works perfectly in both live games and while analyzing your past matches directly in your browser. If this quick tutorial helps you improve your setup, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button for more chess optimization tips. Alright, let's get straight into it. First, open up chess.com and join a game or open a previous match. While you are on the game screen, move your cursor over to the top right corner of the actual chessboard. You will see a small resize icon which looks like 4 arrows pointing outward in different directions. Hover your mouse directly over this icon. Once the cursor changes, click and hold your left mouse button and drag the icon diagonally outward to make the board larger or inward if you want to make it smaller. Release the mouse button once you have found your preferred size. It is worth noting that the layout of the sidebar might shift slightly to accommodate the larger board, so find a balance that works for your screen resolution. You can also click the skip to content option if you need to quickly navigate the layout. Once you have adjusted the size to your liking, the setting usually stays saved for your future games on that specific browser. And that is it. You have successfully resized your board for a better playing experience. If this video helped you out today, please remember to hit that like and subscribe button for more helpful guides. Thanks for watching and good luck with your next checkmate.